Hey, what's up? Hapinoy is for our dinner. We're eating here at the famous Yong Yao at Waterloo Street chicken rice. So what I got is a combination of pork and of course the famous chicken Hainanese with egg, plus of course the rice, soup, and the condiments. Smells good, and the looks of it smells good, looks good, and watch out as we taste it. So it has the egg, the chicken, the cucumber, and of course the pork. So let's eat Hapinoy. And if you're here in Singapore, a must try is the Yong Yao famous Waterloo Street chicken rice since 1974. Tita A, what did you order? Looks like maki.
Not so sure.
Looks
But
like
this is chicken.
chicken maki.
Yeah. Noodles.
And noodles. And this is milk tea. Okay, let's eat that. Para nakikita sa video.
Hindi kasama ka.
May video ka ba kumakain din? Para may iba naman yun. Let's eat Hapinoy.
Here.
Ito meron ako.
Big thing.
Chicken. Ating chicken. Ito naman, pork.
It's 30.
Pork char siu. Not bad ah.
Yan bumibili sa akin.
The cost of our food for this one is $6.30. It's a combination between chicken and pork. While Tita A, okay, cost
I ordered for chicken and then this one, the noodles, it's for $4. And for our ice milk tea, this one is $1.50.
How was it? How was it? How did it taste?
You can taste the herbs. Ang amoy niya,
Ano amoy?
Amoy ano? Mga herbs.
Wala na yun. Nakain mo na.
Tribo ng mga nito.
Nakain mo na rin. Wala.
Maraming tao. Nakain mo na.
The chicken in the market tastes good. Crunchy. Bugis Junction or Bugis Street is one of the famous tourist spots here in Singapore. There are many stalls. Singapore is famous for hawker restaurants or hawker stalls. So this is one of the many hawker centers, no? Or is this a hawker center? Considered, yeah? Yeah. So if you're here, try it out here in Bugis. And we're almost done. Food's good. Not bad. For the price, it's good.
And it's cheap.
It's cheap. As you can see, the plate is similar. The next time when you're here, try the many wonton noodles ko pala.